everyone, welcome back to my channel. Like you saw in the title, we are going to be doing our Boxycharm unboxing. So before we get into it, do not forget to hit that subscribe button as well as hit that notification bell. That way you will not miss any future uploads. Sorry for any background noises. My daughter likes to be very close to me when I'm filming, so she likes to play with certain things, and the microphone of course picks up on it. So please bear with me. I am still trying to get into the routine of filming very early in the morning before she wakes up. And it's been hard. It's been really hard to get out of bed really early, especially in the wintertime, and it's still kind of dark out. It's so hard. So let's get into this. So I was actually very happy with my Boxycharm box last month, and I feel like I'm very happy with it this month as well. So the first product in the box is from this brand I never heard before. It's the Yensa Color and Face Tone Up Primer. It's a refined, smooth, and even skin tone in one step, formulated with a super black essence. This primer blurs imperfections and prolongs foundation wear. So, satin tone up primer moisturizes and preps skin for makeup, increases longevity of foundation, blurs imperfections, fine lines, and wrinkles, provides brighter and even skin tone, helps minimize the appearance of pores, powered by a super black essence, nourishes skins with superfood. Black semi-seed oil, black seaweed, black tea, does that say shit take mushroom? It's SHIITAKE. Black rice, Korean black raspberry, nettle, and chia seeds. I'm super excited to try this primer out and see if it lives up to its potential. This goes for $35. Another makeup product that I got in the box is from Estate, and this goes for $12. It says this ultra fine felt tip liquid eyeliner delivers any look from a quick flick to a bold wing. Lasting all day, it won't skip, tug, feather, smudge, or run. Those are a lot of good claims. So this is the Estate Cosmetics Precision Felt Tip Liquid Liner. I might need to try this in like a future video. But I love the packaging. It's like white and gold. See what it looks like. Ooh. So this is what it looks like. So it's just like typical felt tip. So we will test this out in a future video. Next is a mascara. So this is the Stila Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. It does go for $23. Stila's volumizing long-wearing mascara drenches every lash in intense triple black pigments and builds unstoppable color for the boldest, blackest lashes ever. With just one coat, you instantly get major volume, length, lift, and intense black color. Even with multiple coats, this flexible formula leaves lashes soft with no clumps, flakes, or fallouts. So I feel like I'm getting a lot of good products with a lot of good claims. I am very intrigued. Fourth in the box is a brush, 4-in-1 makeup brush, multitasker. This is from Alley-Oop. This goes for $28, an award-winning multitasker brush combined with the 4 most essential makeup applicators, including a sponge, blush, brow, and eyeshadow brush. This compact game changer is all you need for a full face on the go or at home. Each is made of premium synthetic fibers. So, Oh, and just to mention, the Estate Cosmetic Precision Felt Tip Liquid Liner, the Estate brand, is new to Boxy, so that's pretty cool. Of course, the trash truck or recycling truck came, so my dog's going crazy. Hey, you quiet too. Shh. So this is what the brush looks like. It's very interesting. I don't know if this is something I would use like at home, but I think for traveling, it's not something I would like think about not bringing. But it is, yeah, it's just like your typical, like this brush would be nice for like blush and bronzer, I feel. And then you have your sponge. I don't know how, this feels a bit hard. I don't think I would use this really, unless maybe for like a, yeah, no, it seems too hard. I don't like this part. And then you have your like eyeshadow brush that you can use for like blending and applying your eyeshadow, and then you have your like liner. So it's a pretty cool concept. I feel like you can store it without messing up your bristles because you can just put it in this way and not really worry about messing up your bristles. But I feel like maybe they should have like put something else, like a highlighter. I feel like a highlighter brush would have been nice on this end. or even like a kabuki to like really blend in your foundation and your concealer. So this is something that is pretty cool to have for like traveling, I guess. And then last but not least, this is from Saturday Skin, and it is the Vitamin C Bright Eye Cream. This is worth $32, and this is my choice for this month. So every month you get to choose one item out of your base box. And I chose this, so because I was just very intrigued. A buttery eye cream with an infusion of yuzu fruit, a rich vitamin C citrus, combined with targeted ingredients such as an active vital complex and niacinamide. This eye cream will improve moisture retention, hydrate, and blur the appearance of fine lines. So I'm very excited to try this. And that, of course, is everything in my box. So let's add these products up. This is the total of everything in the box, and like always, I feel like Boxycharm is definitely worth it because the products you get are just worth so much more than what you're actually paying for the box. I will leave all the details down below in the description box that has all the information about Boxycharm. Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box. It is a membership that I do pay for out of my own pocket. It is a fee that gets taken out of your bank account on the 1st of every single month, and then I want to say by like mid of the month you will receive your Boxycharm box. There are different tiers as well, so obviously other boxes are going to be more pricey, but you're going to get more items or higher value items. So yeah, so definitely go ahead and check it out. I will go ahead and leave their link down below. Oh, the box is kind of all beat up, but I did actually purchase a few items from their pop-up shop, I guess you can say, or add-ons. I don't know what it is really anymore, but basically you have access to their like add-ons pop-up shop where you can purchase things at like I think 60 to like 80 or more % off. It's freaking amazing. So I did get like this bundle here. I think this was like $14. I'm telling you, it's literally amazing. But you could get one I think for like $9 and then 2 for $14. I don't remember, but it's literally like great pricing. This is the like 111 Skin brand, and this is the Antioxidants Energizing Essence. It is full size, as you can see, and I just been like, I heard so much about this brand, like good stuff. So when I saw the deal on Boxycharm, I was very excited to try it. It is like glass, so I have to be careful, but yeah, so I have 2 of those. And then I also picked up the Elemist Superfood AHA Glow Cleansing Butter. This is a pumpkin glow facial cleanser with mango butter, acerola cherry, I don't know what that is, and pumpkin. So this cleanses, brightens, and nourishes the skin. So I usually use oils or balms to remove my makeup. This doesn't say balm, this says butter cleanser, so I don't know necessarily. Oh, it's like, oh, okay, that just went in my coffee. So I'm really excited for this because I never tried a cleanser like this before. But yeah, it's not like a balm where it's gonna like melt your makeup away. This is like an actual cleanser, I feel. I mean, I might be able to use it as a balm. It doesn't really smell like much, but I feel like, oh, it feels very moisturizing. So I don't know. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to use this as like a balm or just as a cleanser in itself. I really don't mind either way. It says massage butter into dry skin and rinse with warm water, or apply to a cotton pad and wipe gently over face and eyes. This comforting super ferment infused butter leaves skin cleanse with a healthy glow. So I think I'm just going to use this on its own to get its full, you know, experience. I think I'm just going to use it as a cleanser and not as my makeup remover, because I feel like with the makeup it's such a barrier, you know, so there are things in this product that's going to make my skin look good. There's going to be all this makeup that it's going to really get in contact with before my actual skin. So I'm going to just use this as like a normal cleanser, but I'm very excited to use it. And then I did pick up the Yensa, which actually I didn't even realize that this is the same brand as my makeup primer, but this is the CBD Superfood Dual Cleansing Oil. So this is something I would use to remove my makeup. It says a dual makeup remover and cleanser in one. So I like to double cleanse. I will most likely use this as just my makeup remover and then go in with another cleanser, but this is what it looks like. It looks so pretty. And yeah, so I am very excited to use that. I like to stay stocked up on my cleansers and makeup like removing products because honestly I go through them so quickly because I'm obviously washing my face every single day. And then in this box, last but not least, I did pick up another of the Lily Lashes Level Up Lash Enhancing Serum. I freaking love this lash serum so much. It's what got my lashes to where it is right now. Right now I am using the Grande Lash Serum, so we will see if it helps maintain my lash growth. Hopefully I don't lose my lash growth. I mean, I hear good things about that serum, so hopefully it does like maintain or even further grow my lashes. But I really had a great experience with this one. So this one was only $9. I do remember this price. This one is $65 if you would get it at like Ulta, or I don't know if they have it at Sephora, but $65. So I only got it for $9. So I have another lash serum still that's not opened yet, so that one I will be using next, and then I will be using this one. So again, it is things that I do like to keep stocked up on, so that way I can just always have a backup. And then I did also purchase literally the next day, so it didn't come in the same order, but literally the next day, which it might even come today. I did get the Peach and Lily spray, like the glass spray that everyone keeps talking about. I did pick up that as well through Boxycharm, and I got a pretty good deal as well. I think that was also, it was less than $20 for both, and they're both full size. So you could have the option to buy one, or you can buy like the combo and obviously get even a better deal. So I did get the combo and get two. So hopefully I like it. If not, I'll give it away. I'll give the other one away or give both of them away. But yeah, I'm very excited for that. So that is everything, folks. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time. Bye.